Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's video is going to be a twist out video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved the most beautiful twist out ever in life, using some products that I make myself and that you guys know and love. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair, and I'm going to be doing a side part because I don't like middle parts, and I just think side parts look better on me. So as you can see, this is my hair without any product in it, and it's about, like, I want to say maybe 70% dry right now. I used a t-shirt after I washed my hair to kind of help dry it a little bit and to make this a little bit easier for me because I didn't want to take forever to dry my hair. So I'm just going to start off with flat twists in the front, and I'm detangling my hair just a little bit more, even though I detangled in the shower. And I'm starting off with the leave-in cream that I like from African Pride, and I'm sealing that with the hair butter that I make, and then I'm putting the gel on top of it to kind of give me a little bit of a hold. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my twist out. I kind of separate with my thumb and then twist and then grab more hair with my thumb and kind of just twist it in, and that's how I get a flat twist. There are more detailed videos on YouTube. If you guys would like a more detailed video for me to do, then just leave it in the comments down below. But this is just kind of, me showing you quickly how I do my flat twist so you can see how I achieve the best twist out. I think flat twists give you the best kinds of twist outs because you automatically have separation when you're taking them out. And so anyway, I used the blue perm rod on the ends to just kind of give it a nice finished look, because I really love the way it looks when the ends of the hair are coiled in the flat twist. It just looks more defined, more uniform, and just more beautiful. And so yeah, so I'm going into the next section and basically doing the same thing. I'm using the leave-in cream, sealing that in with the hair butter, and then giving it a hold with the Wetline Extreme gel. I use the green one. This is my first time using it, and so far I liked it a lot. I have no complaints about it. I only use a little bit in my hair, not too much, because I didn't want it to make it too hard and crispy. But yeah, just keep twisting, you guys. You can do as many sections as you like. If you want super defined twists, you can do small ones. If you kind of like the more fluffy look, you can do bigger twists. I think I did like medium sized twists in my hair. So yeah, you just keep twisting and then finish it off with the perm rod. I think the blue ones give you the best curl. I tried using the pink ones before and it just wasn't doing it for me. But I'm pretty sure the longer your hair is, then you could probably use the bigger perm rods. But I use the small ones. I just like the way it looks. But yeah, it's super easy. I mean, if you have the time to do it, then I think you should, try to do flat twists instead of regular twists, because I feel like they stretch out your roots better. And it just makes the twist out look so much nicer. Sorry. Alright, so I'm moving on to the other side, and now when I got to this side, I kind of was running out of time because I had to go pick up my mom from work. So I did the flat twist in the front and kind of had to, sacrifice and do regular twists in the back. But overall, I still think the look came out pretty good. So yeah, this is me just showing you again how I do my flat twist. I use my fingers to separate and then bring in the hair with the twist. I kind of like to think of it as like doing a braid, a plait, or no, not a plait, but like a cornrow braid. You have to add hair and then keep braiding. So this is the same way. You just add hair and keep twisting. Add hair to your two strands and then keep twisting. So yeah, and that's pretty much how you create the separation. And then also when you're winding it, it's already separated for you when you do flat twists. As far as when you do regular twists, there's no separation really. So yeah, I'm just going to finish up here, guys, and let you watch and see how I do, and then I'll see you guys when I'm taking my hair out. And meanwhile, enjoy the rest of the music, you guys, and I'll catch you soon. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 days later. My hair is finally dry. I didn't want to take it out until it was fully dry. Don't stick your face. And so now we're gonna take it out and see the final results of this twist out. And as you can see, the curls are something serious. Y'all see that little ringlet on the bottom? Yeah, so we're gonna take all this out. On my Lizzie's head. Shorty will not let me record without being all in the camera. Y'all see this? Let me zoom in so y'all can see this. But you see these curls? Like, first of all, look at my twist. I did not oil my scalp or anything, or you know, put any product in it yesterday, and they still look pretty juicy. So that's why I like using that combination, because my hair is still moisturized, you guys. When I did my edges right before I sat down, so that's why I'm letting that set in. But look at that, like, this twist out is about to be bomb, y'all. Like, I'm so hyped. My hair's gonna be real cute for the beginning of my work week. Like, I'm getting ready for work. Yes. Okay, y'all ready for this? I'm not ready. Alright, I think I'm gonna start off in the back because it's always easier. So let's start up in the back. Unwind that. Yes, the back. Like, y'all. I'll take this. Yes, Lizzie. Come on. Tell me that y'all don't see this definition here. Now, I usually separate as I'm untwisting because I don't have time to be doing all this, you know, separation afterwards. So I don't separate much. But, oh, come on, this twist out is about to be bomb, and my hair is so soft. So that's my first time actually using the Wetline Extreme Gel. And first of all, I'm gonna say that I think it's really good because my hair is not hard. Like, it doesn't have like a cast on it. All right, you over here yawning all up in the background. You know, it doesn't have like a hard cast. I really like it a lot. So I think I'm gonna be sticking with that gel. Come on, y'all. Y'all see this?
No.
Like, oh, this is about to be so nice. But let's continue taking this hair out. So y'all can see the bombness. Thebomb.com. Like, I know y'all see that. Do I need to say more? Lizzie, what are you doing? Shutting out like my phone up. Do I need to say more, you guys? Like, you see it for yourself how bomb this is. You know? And my hair is still moisturized, still hydrated, y'all. Shiny, fluffy. You don't need a lot. I tell you, you don't need a lot, guys. Yes. To achieve a nice twist out. Ooh.
Baby.
Look at
Are
that.
you?
Lizzie, yes, you took the picture. Good job. Look at this. Like, come on. And this is just one side. Didn't even take out the other side yet. Let's finish. All right, y'all, I'm down to the last twist. Hold on, Lizzie, don't press anything. Y'all can see. You guys, I really have to say that I am so happy that I cut my hair, because if I didn't, I don't think I would be able to wear my hair out like this, because the way my twist outs were coming out, I'll probably insert a picture. It's on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I'll put my Instagram down here so you guys can follow me on Instagram. But also I'll put that picture up so you guys can see what I thought was a good twist out at the time. When my hair was, I still was holding on to those damaged ends. Okay, so this is the final result. Well, maybe not the final result, but let me untie this so I can fluff my hair out. And you can, ooh, you okay? You alright?
Right.
Okay. Yeah, so let me fluff my hair out.
Okay.
So y'all can see the final result. I don't want to do too much because it's only day one, but because I need this to last me at least 4 days, you guys. Mm-hmm. I don't want to do too much, you guys. But y'all telling me this ain't a bomb ass twist out? Like, whose hair is not popping today? I mean, whose hair is popping today? So whose hair is not popping? Whose hair is popping today? Y'all, mine. My hair is popping today. Like, Shorty feeling herself a little bit? Absolutely. Absolutely feeling myself. Like, come on, y'all. Come on.
No.
Y'all see this? It's nice.
Nice.
And it feels good.
Nice.
It's soft, but there's a hold. That wet line gel ain't no joke. But that hair butter also ain't no joke. Have your hair moisturized for days, shorty. Ciao. Alright, y'all. Well, this is the final result. I laid my edges out as best as I could, y'all. I'm not the queen of laying edges, but it's gonna do. And that is the final result, you guys. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Okay, give it a thumbs up for this twist out. Yes, Lizzie? Blue. Good job. Give it a thumbs up if you like this twist out, you guys. Give it a thumbs up if you feeling these results, this definition. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Yes, if you haven't subscribed already, hit that bell so you're always notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will catch you guys in the next one. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. See you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Come so they can see you. Bye, guys. Bye, y'all.